Hi, it's Legionero back with another video. I'd like to say welcome to all of my new subscribers. Thank you so much for subscribing to the channel and everyone who keeps coming back each time I post a new video. So today I'm in Canva. I'll probably be using some Midjourney as well. Um, Maybe some Chat GPT, I'm not sure yet. But I have a new sticker kit thought. um, that I want to see if I could um, put together. Basically, I want to create a new sticker kit. So I always use Canva to create sticker kits. Um, and I wanted to make something um, with black as the color. Black is my favorite color, so I love making things with black and different things like that. So black and purple are my favorite colors, but today I kind of want to focus on black. And I also want to focus on marble. So, what I've done so far is I've made a couple of dolls in Midjourney. She's gorgeous. Um, so, first thing I do when I'm trying to do my sticker kits, if I can't think of a theme, I will start with a doll and go from there. Like whatever color the doll is wearing, different things like that. So what I just did, I just removed her background, and I am using Canva Pro. So I just removed her background, and I want two dolls on here, so I'm gonna remove her background as well, and I need to put a border around it or shadow, so when the Cricut cuts it, it'll cut around the image. So I still have the image highlighted, but if you didn't, you would click on the image, hit edit image, then go down to shadows, outline, and then uh, change this black to white. Now, one thing here, I can make the outline bigger, or I could just grab an element and cover this little space up here. If I was just making this for myself, I don't mind the Cricut cutting this part. Um, but I'm not just making this for myself. Um, so what I did there, I just click on the color and I just moved it up to white. I want to do the same thing here, outline, and change the color to white. All right, so now that I have that done, I'm going to come over to elements and just grab like a circle, change the color there to white, and I'm just going to bring it down just enough so that it will cover this part here. And I think that'll do. I'm going to duplicate it so I can bring it over here as well. And what I'm going to do with the circle selected, I'm just going to go to these three dots here. Uh, it is not where I want it. So let me select my circle, go to these three dots, and then go to position and to back. All right. I'm going to do the same thing here. I'm going to go here, select it, and then position is already up. The menu's already up. I'm just going to hit to back. But you're not finished. You want to click and drag to select. You want to make sure both the image and the element is selected. And you see this little box here. My element is selected. So I'm just going to hit group. So if I don't do that, if I move this, you see the circle is no longer behind it. So it's going to hit undo. So you want to click and drag, make sure they're both selected, hit group. All right. So now I got my two dolls, and I usually, let's see, The height of my dolls is usually in between 2.5 and 3, depending on the doll. And that's, just a personal preference or choice that you have. So it's up to you what size you want your dolls. One thing I've already done is I've made a seamless pattern in Midjourney of black marble. So I'll go to Midjourney and show you what I typed in to get that. So I typed in, I'm in Discord, so you do have to do /imagine. I do believe Midjourney has given access to everyone who um, has a Midjourney paid subscription. Well, I don't think they do free anymore, but I do think Midjourney.com, the Midjourney Alpha, I do believe everyone has access to it now. It went from 1,000 images to 100 images to now I think it's like 10 images. You have access, or um, don't quote me because I don't remember, but um, you can also go to midjourney.com and make your images. But here I typed in black marble seamless pattern and I did tile, right? Go back over to Canva and I uploaded it to Canva and everything. And I'm just going to bring it over here to my little torn paper elements. And I found those over here in Canva. It's here. I use it all the time. I always type in torn paper frame and it'll bring this up. But since I already have it, I have a template that I have set up now. All right. So now that I have this, I have my doll and I have my theme pretty much. I'm going to go back to Midjourney and I'm just going to start typing in different things that I may want in this sticker kit. So for example, I may go /imagine. Um, let's see, black marble coffee table clip art and see what it comes up with. And let's say you go to midjourney.com, which I'm going to do, midjourney.com. And I go down here to create. All I would do, you see the image is creating here as well. All I would do is just type, instead of typing /imagine, all I would do is just type what I'm looking for now. So this is, I like this one. I like this one. I like all of them actually. And I'm in midjourney.com, but it did render over here in the 4,000 Discord. But sometimes midjourney.com, not sometimes, midjourney.com is easier to maneuver. So I don't know if I want this as an element or if I want this one. I like this one because it gives you more of a living room type feel. So we'll see. So in Midjourney, you just click on your images and you can look through them just by scrolling. I like this one too. I like all of them. But I may just use this one. So if you find one want to use, you just go here to your download arrow and you download it. So that's what I'm gonna do for the rest of this sticker kit. I'm just gonna type in things. I may go to the internet and see what other things I can type in using black marble. And then I'll come back and let you see the finished sticker kit. And as far as the stickers go, the way that I put this outline around these dolls is the same way I'm going to put the outline around the other elements. So I'm just gonna, this one I may do a little differently because I don't want a square. If I remove the background, it's gonna remove the sofa and all of that. And I kind of want that in the sticker. So I may come to elements and try to find a frame. Let me just do frame. I'm just gonna click on frame just to see what all frames it has, and maybe use one of these frame elements like this one, for example. Come back to uploads and put this in here. So it's not quite square. And then the Cricut will cut around this. So I'll play with it a little bit and see how I like it. So I'll show you an example real quick. So with my coffee themed sticker kit I used in my Plan With Me, this was a square element. So I just took this and used a frame, and you see how it has like the jagged corners and different things like that. I just did a drag and drop of the picture for that frame. So that's what I mean by maybe using a frame for it, which is here. So we'll see. We'll see how it goes. I'll come back and I'll show you the finished sticker kit once I'm done with it. All right, so I finished the sticker kit. Um, all of these images, the dolls, the notebook, the shoes, the vase, handbags, all of these images and the florals were made in Midjourney. And then I grabbed some quotes from a quote package. I'm probably calling it the wrong thing. I got some quotes from Creative Fabrica, like a bundle is what I'm trying to say. Grabbed a bundle from Creative Fabrica, and I just put the white background behind it, just like I do everything else. So this is a sticker kit. All I have to do now is print it with my Cricut just to make sure it prints correctly. And if it does, I then add the sticker kits to my shop. So by the time you see this video, well, if you watch this video within the next couple of days, it probably won't be on the shop yet because I, again, need to test it out. And I always put a second page of boxes with my sticker kits as well, just so you can have everything that you need in the kit. All right. And I do format my kits for Cricut. The size, the 6.75 by 9.25, I always include an instruction sheet on how to print and cut the stickers, but there's also a PDF file, so if you like to cut your stickers by hand, you can do that as well. All right, so that's it. I just kind of wanted to show you my thought process on how I go about making sticker kits. Like I said, if I don't have a theme already in mind, I'll find a doll that I love, and then I will go from there and just build from that. All right. If you have any questions, place them in the comments below. I will answer them to the best of my ability. Thank you so much for watching. Don't forget to like the video and subscribe, and I'll see you in the next one.